The article I choose is Occupational Stress and Employees' Complete Mental Health, a cross-cultural empirical study. I will give you a brief introduction to help you better understand this article and my thoughts on this article. The article comes from the International Journal Environmental Research and Public Health. As a Q1 journal, it has a high impact factor, and it stands for the top research level and the latest scientific progress in the field. About the article background, occupational stress has become a research hotspot. However, too much attention has been paid to Western industrialized countries, and the cultural difference have not been analyzed as a factor. In my view, there are four variables in the article: occupational stress, complete mental health, burnout, and optimism. It is worth noting that mental health includes both positive and negative aspects. In empirical research, a hypothesis is a currently proposed prediction and a statement about an important relationship that provides a clear direction for the research and determines the type of data to be collected. The seven hypotheses in this article come from the theoretical framework, the literature review, and the findings of previous research. There are four research questions that we need to explore. Most importantly, this article conducts a cross-cultural study because different cultural background may lead to different perceptions and management of stress. We have four research objectives, which correspond to the research questions. This information can help us deeply understand this study. In my opinion, this is a cross-sectional empirical study that uses quantitative methods. In terms of experimental instruments, we have a large number of mature questionnaires to help us collect data and analyze variables. Five data analysis methods helps authors to examine the relationship between occupational stress and complete mental health among employees in Cape Verde and China, and also explore the mediation and moderation roles of burnout and optimism in accounting for the empirical link. The results of the study found that occupational stress is a risk factor for mental health of employees and indirectly affects positive and negative mental health through burnout. Although optimism didn't play a direct mediating role between occupational stress and mental health. It showed a positive effect by affecting the relationship between stress and burnout. Cultural difference significantly affect stress coping, influenced by collectivist culture. Chinese employees are under greater pressure, but have better mental health and are more advantages in emotional management and adaptation. Therefore, workplace mental health protection should consider the role of culture and personal traits.